Well, according to the bill, it looks as if that source code and other digital tools necessary to fix a particular machine, a video game console, would be required. So a video game console manufacturer would have to give those tools and schematics and the underlying know-how, how the code works, to an unauthorized repair person. And because of that, it leads to the fact that it breaks the chain of trust that we as an industry have with authorized repair people. We certainly know that repair people are honest, but there just needs to be one person who would take the code and then open up the machine and allow all illegally copied video games to be played on that particular console.
So why would you need a code to change a battery in a cell phone? Like why does the iPhone 6 that I had, why can I change that battery but can't in my iPhone 8? Like, why is a code needed to change the battery?
That you'll have to ask Apple. We're here to represent the video game console industry and not the cell phone industry, so they probably know better than we do.